Hello everyone, let me introduce how to use Eyoyo Tour Guide System 3rd version D300 D301. First, let's look at the D300 transmitter. On the top is the built-in microphone hole where you can speak into. Below it is status indicator light, pairing button, 1-key shutdown receivers button, and battery indicator light. On the left side, there is an external microphone jack and a reset button. At the bottom, there is a spare button that currently has no function. The right side has the Type-C charging port and power button. On the back, there is a lanyard hole. Let's look at the D301 receiver. It is designed as an earhook model and can be worn on both the left and right ear. If the earhook is at the top, it is for the right ear. Rotate it to the bottom, and it's for the left ear. On the top of receiver, there are 4 battery-level indicator lights. Below that is the power button, and down is the status indicator light. On the left side, there are volume control buttons. On the back, there is a speaker, and at the bottom, there is a Type-C charging port. Let's see how to pair the transmitter and receivers. When the transmitter is powered on, its blue light stays on. When receivers is powered on, its blue light flashes quickly, indicating they are in pairing mode. Press and hold the pairing button on the transmitter for about 3 seconds. When the blue light goes off, release the button. You will see that the blue light on the receiver stays on, indicating that the pairing is successful. Now you can use the system normally. After speaking is over, to turn off all receivers, you just need to press and hold the 1-key shutdown receivers button on the transmitter for about 5 seconds. When the blue light goes off, release the button. Now the blue light on the receiver is off, indicating the receivers are turned off. You also need to press the pairing button on the transmitter once to end the bat shutdown command and then turn off the transmitter. The Eyoyo D300 and D301 have grouping memory function. When the receivers are turned on again, it will automatically connect to the transmitter and maintain the previous grouping status. Both the transmitter and receiver have 4 battery-level indicator lights, each representing 25% of the battery. When the last light starts flashing red, it at low battery and still can be used about 2 hours, and you should recharge it in time.